The Galaxy S26 Ultra could be a turning point for Samsung because they're about to do what they haven't done in many years. For the past few years, Samsung's Ultra lineup has been powered exclusively by Snapdragon chips, offering consistent performance across markets. But, according to new reports, that might change with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is said to be considering its in-house Exynos 2600 for the next Ultra model, marking the first time since the Galaxy S22 Ultra that an Exynos chip could appear in the top-tier version. Originally, the plan seemed clear. The Exynos 2600 would power only the base and plus versions of the Galaxy S26 series, while the Ultra would stick with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 globally. But now, fresh leaks suggest a different strategy, one where Samsung splits things again by region. Snapdragon would still go to key markets like the US, Japan, and China, while Europe, South Korea, and other regions might receive the Exynos variant instead. That move would revive Samsung's long-running dual-chip approach, one that many fans hoped was gone for good. Still, Samsung's renewed confidence in Exynos comes from big improvements under the hood. The Exynos 2600 is built on the company's advanced 2nm process, and internal tests reportedly show serious gains. It's said to outperform Apple's latest smartphone chip by a huge margin, up to 6 times faster in AI processing, with a 75% jump in GPU performance and about a 15% CPU boost. Compared to its Snapdragon rival, the Exynos 2600 could even offer 30% stronger NPU performance and 29% better GPU output. Those are impressive numbers on paper, and they suggest Samsung's in-house chip team has made major strides in performance and efficiency. But, as always, the real test will be how it performs outside the lab. Many users still remember the performance gap between Exynos and Snapdragon in older Galaxy models. Thermal throttling, battery drain, and slightly weaker GPU output has left lasting impressions. So even with promising benchmarks, it's understandable that people are cautious about Exynos making a comeback in the Ultra. At the moment, it's worth mentioning that none of this is officially confirmed yet. Samsung hasn't announced chipset details for the Galaxy S26 series, and plans could still change before launch. So, as exciting or frustrating as these leaks sound, it's best to take everything with a pinch of salt until the company makes things official. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.